Goes down hot for Bamenda, and then it's Kumpa Day, hot for Bamenda this weekend as Cardinal Pedro Parolin enter for day with this now. The special envoy for Roma Day country people then Bamenda place where Mkunkuma for A to D send plenty kako mattress bucket and then towel they made a game for picking the way they are dormitory them born. For us I did for PSS Mancon we'll talk about this Ampa Edonton and ex-Amber, ex-fighter them. They dropped their gun for that side for Ngusi Village inside Tombell subdivision, place where chop plenty. They now wrote for carry the chop waka. Now you know day for this country people them. Yes, Minister Kecha Kutes go visit Chang. He start for that place where accident be happen. Then he go visit them for hospital. They be there 53 where then die. And on 2 don't add the it be now 55 country people them. Then we'll talk about Levanda village for Limbe Day. Weti happen population on vex go see chief. Palava weti, Palava ground land where they sow. There is season for them for that side today. Contribute na Matthias Motia. Naibi the person where they cause trouble for them. And then sport too. We go talk this Palava for team where they call them saying na football Cameroon don't qualify for play semi-finals. May they go play now with Morocco. And inside this matter, they complain to that chapter for COVID positive test. It be now for discourage player them for Democratic Republic of Congo. They country people them. This one and plenty other to read in them for we country news this afternoon. Number 1 day for number 2 month. Answer this year for a lot. 2021. 30 day for my media prime. Make una no shake at the comeback. Sugar, dey my heart. Big one for Sabi say una dey plenty for look my media prime television. This time we na continues ide. Make we start story with the same story for today. Person wey plant corn for corner road, e dey give na chop for lazy man. Person wey plant corn for corner road, e dey give na chop for lazy man. Now the same story that for today so country people them where who came for we damfu as they take totally for them damfu for that side the place where they call them see this one Mabanda Alpicam de Bafoot man. Make unak tori for na talk with country people them. It happened na this Sunday we pass so place where they call and say petit terrain for this petit terrain for Panda peuple country people them. As it happened for day, now waiting a chapter for bomb. Make una see. Now people in this will be forced to cover the image so. But they too, where they don't be born, if some degree they will pass 30 degree, then we'll even call and say 4th or 5th degree country people them. So they form the common for their mob. Then too, they be the do it, they dey inside their carabo room where they rent up. The first one, Balinyonga. The second one, Bambalan Fondok. How it take happen? They try for adjust the bomb how it is so they be don't fix them. Country bomb them. Then telephone holla. Then is that light way the show for telephone the holla. So one time, now you go touch the thing, the bomb takes it so holla you too. Bomb holla. Now that bomb in this way they don't season for them. They want charge them. They meet up where they get list. I said they get list. Look the other bomb the way they meet up and plenty where the guy they don't fix up. Even battery, they get penya new battery them for battery for motorcycle inside carton them. Where they fix some with them and they been get team where they get for do really big mission for that side too. Even cable, all the kind arsenal where they so they use them for fix the button that with them for they so contribute them. The team be take B. Yes, it be take B for that side transfer take C and so gendarme den kande, police den kande, senior divisional officer Mbutu Joel, come the country people them. This other person, divisional officer for Douala 5 camp, police for surveillance du territoire, other one could take helicopter safe land from Yaoundé. So take reach this morning time. Every time I started talk for una so ngom na too so they for they would talk them for that palaver so contribute. And then see and say these people they get list for people them and their telephone number with the plan for how they fit go reach for their house them. They get that all for this palaver. We mean say they no be there na find worker. It be been a mission for that side they so. The two people them they for place where they call and say General Hospital for Douala so country people them. We take una go Bonandale in between Ndopo and Bonandale de na for the abattoir. The abattoir na slaughterhouse. These people they for strike una siam. They don't she done. Take ball marker. Other one they use na pen. They assign about them na cartoon. Right on top how they so they the year part. Hey, they suffer so the partner they pay them fine. They need to treat them fine. Even milk where they supposed to give them. They need to give them for this so country people. So that the year part for that side now. And even when they go retirement, everybody hold them for that. If at all, person even go retirement where he never fed die. For the matter so. Yes. So they can't talk now serious so. They over torture them, then they take benevolent work at them. People the way that you can work down, they pay them as they, with their small meat or small belly cow for this. So that she don't know how they knock hand. They say, I don't too much. Better make they turn up for them with work. So they solve their problem. So for that matter, and say me they know they use them like chakumcha or like some kind of people the way they not get used. May they consider them like work at them. And he said this palaver now they treat them better for that work day and they pay them better money to way. Then too they feel help their family for that matter. So now the kind trouble in that way take happen. So then gum now for Douala 4 talk say this so. Today this Monday go do all thing for say this so. Make they try for see and then hear that palaver too for try for see how it so if it they fit better their condition for work for that play with this so they kill cow now for day all the trouble with the cow fight with the cow stay kill cow flick wash them clean them for this to be send for market make people then chop and better one for this country people take kuna now go place where they call and say kumba tell una say this so chup tori I say chup tori baby seweti. Now Thursday come out. Say Friday, una hear me fine. Trouble go be for the whole southwest and northwest. Until they no go open place until they no talk the way you stop. Now it be say as it can happen now so people them small they come out small they try to do what they fit do. But Monday this morning time so it be bad country Sunday total one like this. I say Kumba, as una sabi, traditional country Sunday, where they take be, people for waka, nang ribu. I say people for waka, they hear bat. Like some power una go yeso, they go talk away this so, they don't waka 2 hours for can reach Kumba down. For sika wait taxi no day, Okada no day, na country Sunday, market no open. Store them for corner road no open. Even office them for Ngomna. Country people them no open. For here now, they go knock a single for we last make it go open or store for market. Where office for Ngomna says never open for this so country people them. Now the question that we want to take see for this matter and this part of them for that chapter them for this so country people them. See don't time for now we hear and we mop for that side day for K-Town Kumba and the whole Meme division self. If they ask question, una yet with these two papa them, then tell you, make una hear.
I used na 2 hours before I come here because bike not be there. So I don't really know. I did beg government. May they try see how they fit settle this matter. May they see how they fit settle this matter. Remember let the water with fear. You won't go down fear. You won't go up fear. You won't laugh fear. May they try make this thing in end. But we begin worker freely. That the only thing I have to tell you this morning time. So,
check from Baro, which makes it difficult for all the citizens of Kumba. At least if the government can even listen very well and to solve this problem, everybody will do this. When you look around, you see only few people moving, which is not all that normal. It affects everybody. It affects the citizens, and it affects also the government by one way or the other. Because normally, like the council, for example, council will never collect any revenue.
One person dey Kumba District Hospital for day when a Okada man down him. Yes, he said this weekend now he make accident with some private motor for that side day for Boya Road country people them make us see am. Look the motor front don't chakara, Okada too a chakara. And then they carry the boy, Okada man, go place where they call and say hospital, where 2 foot them don't broke two for this so country people there. Where to be the story, then say they meet up 2 bottle black mulu inside this motor. The person will be the drive, say na airbag na he come out, he help if no be so na for yet to say holy country people there. Now he be say waiting for that side day. Now he be say windscreen broke. Inside the chapter for Boyaro today, the accident it no be easy at all. This Friday way pass. Senior Ngomna for Meme Tungong Chamberlain. Eko Ndongamen for fixed palava Mewanu and Ngonkele. Now light maker for Kumbawe will no get that report we Sidwan Tamfu is sent for we till the report for Ghost Town. We promise say this so tomorrow morning time. All the 2 report will go play for now. But the one will be shown for now this morning time for see how they dance with even Senior Joe too. He dance for celebrate this so they don't fight don't finish. Now the mop they one mop for this so country people them. When I take them again as this morning put your volume.
We are one, we are together, we are one. Oh, CPGM, are we together? We are one.
Ngusi village na some village inside Tombel subdivision my country people them. This village they so chop dede boku. But there trouble na road. And another trouble na chakumcha. Make we take go see Ngusi na this. Ngusi village for here, Amoe, John Eka boa, na so they talk am for day. Chop where they chop plenty for here, Esuba and Zamgen or even Kwankala. For here that trouble, the people they work cocoa very well. Esuba na cocoa they pound na. Plenty today boku. But their trouble na road. That way the season the be, na so road to the be. That dry season the be it get to play problem for that side they contribute them. So even school for here, there's some kind of thing there. As na takes yam. Hunting too, bush meat plenty for that side there. Even Congo meat where they call a nyama. Ele too boku. You know the buy and sell they dash una dasha. For that side they so country people them. As una take the see, 80 way they really talk about time for this thing where they call and say this so nangus. Even cocoa and coffee. I said cocoa plenty for Ngusi. And I turn and juicy I brought first one juicy for now. This one and go see. Now neighboring village them for that side as we pass Tombel. For this so the show na the place now for talk say this so. Now imagine we don't keep on scenes for talk about chapter for road and how it chop the day. But I say we show the image now of physicality because one time when I say some that chakumcha boy them don't decide say they will leave their gun them for down. Then they join their population them after we don't first pass to training ground place where they call and say DDR for Boyade. Now them this Asengusi village inside Tombe subdivision. Then gather, go na turn up, call early to them, call people them, then show the picking them. For from Kutu them where they talk so okay, I will not say I don't live una gun them for down, and we no go kill una. Chief then come out, better put them come out. The whole peace plan, mommy for the picking and come out too. All man clap say they want na peace. They want peace and they want peace with this so contributing. Now if you say, best way command Kamamburu them for that side for Tombel Day, 8 and say, una don't do fighting. Una go help now for go tell the other brother the way they see the inside bush, send them to the leaf gun. They come back because me Cameroon, maybe again as it be before, where they so neighbor, help neighbor. Make we hear interview for people the way they drop gun. Una hear to me then talk.
I be there, I'm not there again, I don't come back. And I beg say any man will do for back, me to come. It will make me accommodate. I lost my family and I lost freedom for myself. So I never like to live where I believe. I never know which way there. All this one that happened because I never know. Now I can't get sense. and the talk the year we put they talk, and our president we talk. I said no, me I'm not supposed to be for Bush. When I do the be for Bush, no human being. But I decided no better I come back so that I will fear happy with my family and my brother in the nation. So they get cocoa, we need to for sell, we make coffee, cocoa, plantain. They will need for sale where we will vex make government do for we. Give something like chemical so that we will treat our things so that we will be fine back.
15 days will never enter for aliveness. We enter because of say neighboring village around our village by the way they keep worrying with. We keep different people that come out different and come out can worry with. So we come out, we go enter so that we protect our own people. Until we say no, it don't pass level we want to protect our people. All our life will go. Last come to say we will accept the name for Amba. And later on, our parents they thought they don't want this particular thing for our village, and we follow their instruction to stop them. We will beg government, beg me create some job opportunities so that any person be busy, but thing will do. May any person get some 1 or 2 things.
Una don't hear them country people, they will take una now go place where they call them say Bamenda. And for Bamenda, now wait happen for them. Now person where they so messenger where a carry talk for come for Papa for Rome. Una sabi say na for Rome way Vatican day and na for Vatican way this so big pa for Catholic Church day. So he enter Bamenda. After we don't sing Kunkuma for Friday, he enter Bamenda for weekend to contribute them. Charles Kebwa Bidede, make we hear Charles a report.
For over weekend, that means for start for Saturday, the Secretary of State for the Vatican, Yisasef way, he be don't come for inside Cameroon, the Waka country people, where he name now His Excellency Pedro Cardinal Parolin, where he become for up the side country, for Bamenda side country here, as he be reached for Saturday, they take it as you see so as they welcome me for airport for Bamenda. Take it go with them for big man confide way. Chinwe it do it be inaugurate the St. Joseph Bolivar where it be happen for this side country where Norwest Governor Adolphe Lele Lafrique Yisasa be there to foresee how it in them it be the day. That very day again too so Secretary General for Presidency, that means say Minister where na he be Minister of State where na also Secretary for Presidency for the Republic, Fenida Ngongo, Yisasef too for that very Saturday, he become touch himself, enter for Bamenda for join see how he did in the now he be wake up for Sunday, wait for some big Ndonga men mass, that means say for cry for Papa God, how it in the day, as you see the picture, now for big man con for Bamenda so way, this His Excellency Pedro Cardinal Parolin, Yisasef again, he be wake up again, talk for mass, take some big close way, then they call him saying at the pallium, empower, that means say give power for the Archbishop for Bamenda, His Grace Andrew Nkea, for tell you say it is so, now if they talk from Bamenda, they talk straight go up for inside that side for Rome where this big empowerment is come out now for big papa for inside Roman Catholic when Pope Francis when he be like the seat for Roman Catholic. That means say as this thing be happen, they give you the big clothes for talk for you say this clothes. He supposed for the take make sure say make it the feel he ship them like how he ship them to suppose for the feeling. That's all for inside this palaver for tell you again say the big master time where it become, it be talk, say it is so. It urge Cameroonians them say, make country people then join for bring back solution for this trouble where we the cry for up this side country and for that side country. It go down again for talk a day so. Some plenty thing and no the way if you talk as you see you so for here for inside this image. Say such plenty thing not the way people feel do now only for make sure say it is so. Make people then can sit down dialogue because now only through dialogue it go pave way for peace and when peace don't come then all man it waka for go for inside side way hope go there and say make dialogue always be na fine way it go dey always make sure say we solve conflict. For tell you say big massa wey e to be joined for her Shidong from Kunkumayi place e be na the Minister of State, Secretary General at the Presidency of the Republic, Ferdinand Bongo, wey na yourself to be Shidong for that big mass for see how it in the name of Big Papa Nkunkuma way a day for that Yaoundé side country people be dance. Naso will be taxi Bamenda for over the weekend.
So for that weekend before one Charles no go we'll come back for you for talk about today for Bamenda. But so for that weekend now we're waiting it happen just before Cardinal they enter for the now Governor of Adolphe Lele Lafrique be go for PCC for this place can say PSS Presbyterian Secondary School Mancon for this so for that side for Atuakum. Now it is. When I remember we'll be shown now. Last week, how we fire be born boys dormitory, the number 2 day, born girls dormitory 2 for PSS Mancon day. That's set for Tuakum. Now he be saying Kunkuma for A2G. According to Tori way Adolphe Lele Lafrique, big ngomna for Northwest day a good day. He give mosquito net, give bedsheet, give mattress, give bucket them. So now the thing then this way Kunkuma senam make it can give for talk Asia for that school boy and school girl them way they get that wahala so if I burn them school. A talk say even zinc again made the roof the house with them. A talk say make people the way that they commandeer that school. Let me say Presbyterian Church of Cameroon. Make them join up with the people for Atuakum quarter day. May they get vigilante group them when a strong one where it go to prevent to make people like no come again can put some kind of wahala like that fire so. A talk for the picking and say where they go school for day, say may they do all things for see and say, may they fine, I may they go school, may they read book fine, nothing, no day where it go worry them for this so country people them. Every day with the this man they call and say this so now more Simeon where the so now he be senior divisional officer for Meza division day and other people them too for the country people them. We remain for Bamenda talk chapter say country Sunday too be day today and it hot for Bamenda today. The one for Bamenda self now since Friday where the country Sunday a day. As we hear inside this report too, we'll ask Charles tell we where to be situation for Bamenda since Friday can reach now. Charles, tell me make we hear.
Since Friday goes down, turn confusion for inside Bamenda here. Come for Saturday, as you see this image, even people way themselves wait that they supposed for open market for this side from Queen Market where we ourselves will be taking food, work and go there. Themselves to the lock gate for fear of the unknown. Make trader them for inside Bamenda for inside this side from Queen here. Them to turn confusion for inside fuse because of the palaver. But inside the very palaver, some trader them, they be dead them for inside market for tell you say it is so. Someone they say it is so, they not be like them the palaver for ghost town. But some people them, they say ghost town it be there just only because say some people say that one day in solidarity with the people where the lock they shed them. Some other one them say na in because say some big white man it come for inside when a church man till where it become a can do if we don't finish. As I did talk for you now, so country people then live for inside house because na ghost town as na normal ghost town day where it used to live for inside Bamenda. Just for tell you say this palaver for ghost town, it don't make plenty people don't begin confused and it don't begin being angryable for some people then for tell you Papa talk say it is so. Naso Bamenda would see him today when I goes down. Where some people say would the only way to for see how Bamenda it could take a life back tomorrow.
Well, thank you plenty, Charles Kebwa. We go look how a Bamenda don't take life back tomorrow, country people. Then with all the suffer for day two. Celestine Kechaku Tess, Naibi Minister for Town Planning, Housing, Auditing with the Concerned House. Then it to go Chang for go cry as it be marful. It be marful for Bangante Palace Day. It go for Chang for go cry. Say this so rain no fit fall for your neighbor, a house where your foot no touch water. Now it is. Celestine Kechaku test. He can't deal with the mayor, them plenty put them. Even with some other one, the delegation where they send them from Bangante. For can't do it, if you can cry. Cry. They first go for play with the accident be happen. La Falaise or Sancho. They use peace plant. Take say this so make God take them for heaven. Then they go now for hospital for Chang. After Chang, they go hospital for Bafusa. Waka so for talk Asia for the sick people then they for the inside the hospital then for they to well the year contribute them say this so and nobody only remain for that 53 they don't go now so 55 people way then die so country people we mean so so up on top the 53 people will be die. They don't one don't die for Bafusam Hospital. Then another one will be die to take born skin rotting. Now smell make and see and say another person be seated for that place. How manage? How manage? Country people will take una go that side for Victoria. Limbe. Lavender village. Na trouble. Trouble. Now it is. Over tell una inside allo country for Saturday say Matthias Motia. Where they so do conquering up and down. 6 people that land. They call us movie say this so every first person say any person way a buy land for a papa be don't for panafula and get for buy am again for you. Instead the season the movie now for they put their brother own as for this so. Now this is brother now way people then can't complain for you say they work at the 6 land for people them. 6 land for people them, 6 land for people them for this so control and they no go believe, no go green make it take the happen for that side so say this so the Matthias Motia now he be big wahala man where they cause big trouble them inside that Lavender village for that side for Limbe when a 3rd class chiefdom for the so country people them now he be say trouble did that side too and as he be take the happen with people them they complain plenty now for the another one array yes start for the so country people them then we'll talk about this other palaver where we talk see this so we'll go for sports now yes we'll go for sport now for finish with Tori for today any other one we go bring them for now tomorrow country people them sports talks with Cameroon and Democratic Republic of Congo. Now it is. They be knock this Ndamba na for Saturday. And na for Japoma Stadium country people them. Yes. I say Luzolo and all people them where this one this thing we call them for this one Democratic Republic of Congo. All Zaire. The people them dance Sute, dance Makossa, dance Lingala, dance Kankantinem. But now them tonton score goal number 1. Then they score goal number 1 from corner kick. They put 2 heads, one time. This man, Ashu Kerido, he go take ball now for inside net. But Cameroon no stop for day. Cameroon say, now we country. Now we the host time. When I fit dance the one that dance them, we'll get Mbaya. When Mbaya strong pass that one for this to country put it. Yes. We'll get Kanken one them. So Juju too, he come, so tell this so enter this the palaver way when I hear put a complaint. Complain for that matter now. They say this so as Cameroon last win, they still palaver for winning. And I hear too, as they see in the cup who they go to see for that matter them. So for the country people them, they give yellow card, then they knock Kufra as soon as they say between two go for that aside. Tungu Pile say Una two, no one say make we to try we inside this one and at first time where they play official ball is official ball now go that to official ball inside this play call and see this so now this Japoma new stadium for the so country people them. Now the small one that we get around for now will come back with plenty other to read tomorrow. Thank you, indefatigable person when they retire. And Christian Tebong hate the work, hand the work too for that side, but now Belen the work. Then thank you to this man chairman Augustine. Thank you to for the one tanker Sidwan Tamfu and this man to Charles Kebwa. Thank you to Johnson Von Johnson for the thank you plenty Eli. Thank you Desmond Ngwa. Thank you to Bertrand. My country people them. time as we take talk am. If una see my back, now be say belle devil front tomorrow na another day. I don't go me bye bye.